up, let's get you the top 10 developments which are coming in the Delhi blast case probe. Well, H.M. Shah is holding a key meeting after the Delhi blast. IB chief, the Home Secretary, both of them are present in the meeting along with other top senior officials. The Raksha Mantri has also assured strict action against the perpetrators of this heinous blast. Also, agencies are probing a possible Jaish-e-Mohammed link as well. The lens specifically is on a woman, Dr. Shaheen, as well, because remember, Dr. Shaheen was handpicked to lead JEM's Women's Army, is what we are picking up from the intel sources. Also, there were 3 suspects who have been detained from Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama, and what Times Now has managed to access are pictures of the suspects who have been detained from Jammu and Kashmir as well. In fact, Times Now has also managed to trace the route of the I-20 car, how it had fled from Faridabad.
सभी महत्वपूर्ण लोगों के साथ संपर्क में था, विचार विमर्श चलता था, जानकारियों के तार जोड़े जा रहे थे। हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। All those responsible will be brought to justice. साथियों, आज यहां एक तरफ गुरु पद्म संभव के आशीर्वाद के साथ ग्लोबल पीस प्रेयर फेस्टिवल का आयोजन हो रहा है। दूसरी ओर भगवान बुद्ध के पिपरहवा अवशेषों के दर्शन हो रहे हैं और इनके सब के साथ हम सब हिज मैजेस्टी द 4th किंग के 70वें जन्मदिन समारोह का साक्षी बन रहे हैं। ये आयोजन इतने सारे लोगों की गरिमामय उपस्थिति, इसमें भारत और भूटान के रिश्तों की मजबूती नजर आती है।
Well, you just heard the Prime Minister. Remember, he is currently in Bhutan. He is attending the Global Peace Prayer Festival, which is about to kick off, also commemorating the visit that he has had and deepening the relationship with Bhutan. But what's very significant at a time when he's there for the Global Peace Prayer Festival is with the backdrop of the gruesome blast which has happened in the national capital. The Prime Minister has assured that there is going to be strict action against the perpetrators. He specifically said all responsible will be brought to justice. The Prime Minister, of course, has condoned the deaths which have happened as well in the national capital, saying all those involved will be taken to task, that we will go to the root of this conspiracy and those responsible are not going to be spared. He says that he has been in touch with all the security agencies. He was up all night in touch with the security agencies and monitored the situation throughout the night before he embarked on his journey to Bhutan. The Prime Minister, having condoled the Delhi terror attack, has also said that he is going to ensure that all those who are the perpetrators of this are being brought to justice. Listen in to the exact words of the Prime Minister, the warning that the Prime Minister has sent to those who may be behind this heinous terror attack, as it now appears to be probed.
कल शाम दिल्ली में हुई भयावह घटना ने सभी के मन को व्यथित कर दिया है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों का दुख समझता हूं। आज पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। मैं कल रात भर इस घटना की जांच में जुटी सभी एजेंसियों के साथ, सभी महत्वपूर्ण लोगों के साथ संपर्क में था, विचार विमर्श चलता था, जानकारियों के तार जोड़े जा रहे थे। हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। All those responsible will be brought to justice.
Well, let me go across to Pragya, who's joining us with the very latest. Pragya, we know, of course, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has been in a huddle since last night. He went there at the blast site as well. He's taking charge of the probe on ground. But Prime Minister making a very significant point there, a warning that he sent out all those who perpetrated what appears to be now a terror attack will be punished. The importance of this messaging.
Absolutely, Meghna. And in fact, Prime Minister is in Bhutan today. It was India's commitment, as the Prime Minister rightly said, to be in Bhutan. He is there for the 70th birthday celebration. But Prime Minister mentioned that it was his commitment and that is why he had come to Bhutan. And also that he has come with a very heavy heart and he had been in touch with all the investigation agencies throughout the night. And he also said that perpetrators will never be forgiven. They will be brought to justice and justice will be done. Those who have conspired in this particular attack will also be brought to justice. In fact, if you remember, Prime Minister has always spoken about zero tolerance for terrorism. And in fact, this has always been a policy, in fact, of the Modi government ever since they come to power. And the kind of huddle that we are seeing in the national capital, the kind of action that we are seeing the government in after this particular blast, it also shows the intent of the government, and in fact that has also rattled many of the terror outfits, and not just them, many of the sleeper cells must be very perturbed right now. In fact, multiple raids have been taking place since morning, and in fact last night, ever since this attack took place. But this is the commitment of the government that no terrorist attack and no terrorists will be spared. They'll be brought to justice. The families of those who have lost their loved ones in this particular attack, the government stands with them. And this is what Prime Minister said from the soil of Bhutan, that we are with them in this hour of pain and hour of need. But that the assurance have come none other than from the Prime Minister himself when he says that perpetrators will be brought to justice. This also makes it very clear, Meghna, that this was a terrorist attack.
Yes, absolutely. That's a significant takeaway, that when the Prime Minister says that the perpetrators are going to be brought to justice, it does show it's the most definitive idea that the investigators are definitely looking at a possible terror attack link into the Red Fort blast case. Pragya, do stay on with us. Let's listen in once again to what the Prime Minister, his exact words are very significant. Please listen to it very carefully.
कल शाम दिल्ली में हुई भयावह घटना ने सभी के मन को व्यथित कर दिया है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों का दुख समझता हूं। आज पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। मैं कल रात भर इस घटना की जांच में जुटी सभी एजेंसियों के साथ, सभी महत्वपूर्ण लोगों के साथ संपर्क में था, विचार विमर्श चलता था, जानकारियों के तार जोड़े जा रहे थे। हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. All those responsible will be brought to justice.
Well, as you just heard, the Prime Minister did not use the word terror attack. However, he did say that the perpetrators of this conspiracy are going to be brought to book. Remember, even as we speak, the Prime Minister is currently in Bhutan. He said that he had already made the decision and had committed to Bhutan that he's going to be there for the Global Peace Prayer Festival and also to celebrate the Bhutanese king's birthday, 70th birthday. However, he went there with a heavy heart. This at a time when multi-agency probes are carrying out this entire investigation into the Red Fort, the 10/11 Red Fort blast case.